Bluey bounced into the living room, eyes wide, calling loud, "Nenek! Nenek!" Nana stepped in smiling, hair tied neat, arms open wide. Bingo followed close, tail wagging fast. Could mornings get any better? Bluey tugged at Nana's hand. "Let's play hide and seek." Nana laughed warm, "All right, but no peeking." Bandit peeked from the kitchen, shaking his head. "They'll never stop, mate." Bluey giggled loud, hiding behind the couch instantly. Could hiding spots feel like treasure chests? Nana tiptoed slow, pretending to search, making funny noises. Bluey stifled giggles, peeking around the corner. Bingo crawled low, trying to find Bluey first. Muffin and Socks joined in chaos, tripping, sliding, laughing. Could a simple game turn into a full adventure? After the game, Nana pulled out a basket of cookies. Time for a treat. Bluey's ears perked, tail wagging fast. She grabbed one, crumbs falling everywhere. Bingo tried to catch falling crumbs, laughing wild. Chilli peeked in, smiling, "Looks like a happy mess." Bandit chuckled, wiping a tear from laughing too hard. Could snack time feel like a party? Later, Nana showed Bluey how to make a tiny paper boat. "Fold carefully," she whispered. Bluey concentrated, tongue out, paws shaking slightly. Bingo tried as well, tearing her paper in half. Bluey giggled, "It's okay, Bingo, we'll fix it together." Could patience and fun mix like magic? The sun dipped low, casting golden light. Bluey, Bingo, and Nana carried their boats to the pond. "Ready?" Nana asked gentle. They let go, watching the boats float, spin, and race across the water. Bluey clapped excited, "Look! It's winning!" Bingo shouted, "Mine's catching up!" Could teamwork feel this joyful? As the boats drifted far, Bluey hugged Nana tight, whispering, "Thank you for today, Nenek. You're the best." Nana smiled, ruffling her fur, "And you, Bluey, make every day special." Bluey turned to the camera, tail wagging, eyes sparkling. If you loved our adventure, hit like, tap subscribe, and join us for more fun, laughter, and special moments with family and Nenek.